Good morning, Nigerian President. Good morning, the leadership of INEC. I thought over this message I want to pass the whole night. I have barely not slept. I recalled several meetings that I was called upon by several Nigerian gangs abroad, which I declined. Having lived in the North all my life, I told those agitators that Nigeria is blessed, that I was going to sacrifice my own funds, my own money to go back to Nigeria and find out exactly what they are talking about. My warning this morning to Nigerians and to INEC and to the presidency: if you make any mistake, you will produce 1,000 Simon Ibohos in less than 2 months. You will produce 1 million Simon Ekpas, and these people will be all over the world looking for you. I am begging you in the spirit of God. I am using my last energy because I don't know how to rebel my own country. I cannot. I have traveled through the North, day and night, before this election to ascertain what arguments I was putting up that even the Northerners are tired. Where is our result? Give us our result. I want all of you, you guys in INEC, all of you, this government, listen, we are going to stand up to all of you. Let me tell you, I am in Nigeria. These guys abroad, they want to start killing you. And I have decided to come and find it out myself. If you play with these results, if you do anything with these results, know that what will happen to you. Festus Okoye, INEC chairman, all of you will go down in history as betrayers of the Nigerian people. And let me tell you, you will die in any airport you arrive in the world. Nigerians will kill you. They will not spare you. You governors, you think I don't know what you think. Let me tell you guys. I have been a governorship aspirant. I have been a politician. I've spent my own money for the past 22 years in Nigerian politics. What I'm seeing today, Nigerians have never been this aggressive. Do not temper with Nigerian results, or it will be deadly. It will be deadly. What you guys will see, you will never have seen it before. Boko Haram will be a joke. All the Nigerians abroad are waiting just to see the right thing done, or they are all rebels. I have been to meetings. Do not, President Buhari, leave a legacy. Leave a legacy. You have started it. Don't allow these criminals to match you. My president, don't Anebi, President Buhari, Karakayada Barai, Sukarabamana Nigeria. President Buhari, yi kai na kai ma magana. Ni dan Allah don Annabi kar ka yadda. Kar ka yadda. Kar ka ba Najeriya barayi. Ka ba mu Najeriya, ka ba Najeriya a hannun mai kirki, a jara mana kasa mu dawo daga kasa waje. President Buhari, roko na kai ma ranka dade.